Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: permissions and target app. Grant microphone and display capture when prompted, because without them you won't record sound or screen. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and tap Screen Recorder or launch the Recorder app directly. This starts the capture workflow so you don't waste time switching windows. Make sure the app you want to record is visible and responsive. Then choose Resolution and Audio Source before pressing Record to begin capturing immediately. You now configure the middle steps that determine quality and file size. Pick internal audio for app sound or microphone for voiceover. Selecting both combines narration and system audio for tutorials. Next, set resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 fps is a good balance, while 60 fps increases smoothness but uses more space. Once configured, enable a short countdown to prepare, toggle show touches for clarity, and add a front camera overlay if you want to appear in the. To finish, tap stop in the notification or on-screen control. You'll immediately see a preview where you can trim the clip to remove dead space. Once satisfied, save the file to gallery or share directly to cloud or messaging apps. Check the file size before uploading. If something goes wrong, for example no audio, make sure microphone permission is enabled and that internal audio capture is allowed. If problems persist, restart the Recorder app or reboot your device to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.